All right, we're about to go interview some people and ask them what they think about gravity and how the world works.
How it works.
How it works. All right, so we're gonna interview our first person, which just so happens to be the first person we ran into. What is gravity?
Well, gravity is a very difficult term to explain.
What is gravity?
Gravity is the force of pull towards the center of the earth. I would say.
Hey, let's ask the band. Hey, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What is gravity?
Well,
Gravity.
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 Yeah.
Gravity. Okay, gravity is that thing when the Earth spins, like we don't even know it's spinning, but it spins so fast that it like makes us like stay on it. How is the Earth spinning so fast, but we're not moving? We're stuck to it. Like the weight I feel, my weight, is gravity. I think, something like that.
Yeah, that's an answer. Can I ask you another question?
Sure.
What is the meaning of life? So we decided to come all the way to Boiling Springs, North Carolina, to ask our questions about gravity. Because, statistically, some of the greatest minds are here. But this decision was also based somewhat on convenience because we live here and our college is here and it's just not, it's right, pretty close to where we're at, and so that's what is the basis of our decision. Also, another convenient decision for us, we've decided to interview people at a bake sale.
A bake sale.
Because we're hungry, which has nothing to do with gravity at all, but I hope you enjoy it nonetheless.
I knew a guy that was really smart.
Let me ask you a question.
All right.
What is gravity?
Gravity is a very heavy subject.
Well, there you have it. What is gravity? Can you demonstrate what gravity is? They may not know what gravity is, but they sure know how to cook. All right, we're about to go over to this car wash. Hey, wait, hey, Sterling. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, how you doing this morning?
Good, Brad. How are you doing, sir?
Pretty good. Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So, what is gravity?
Brad, I can't answer that right now, man. I gotta go over here. Gravity is that thing that attracts two objects.
Two objects.
Two objects.
Or any number of objects. They just keep getting closer and closer together, and like you just don't know what it is that attracts them, but that's just what happens.
So gravity is like glue?
But you can't see it.
Fact. Gravity is like glue. I wonder if it's like school glue or rubber cement. Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
What is gravity? You don't know?
I think they know.
Oh, they know. What's gravity?
No,
Hey, what's gravity? I just want to know what gravity is. I just want to know.
To me, it's something that pushes us to the ground and other people can walk it. That's all I know.
So we just heard a lot of information about gravity. A lot of really bizarre information, but let me just give you a little bit of truthful insight about what gravity really is. So gravity was invented about 20 million years ago by a man named Leonard Gravity. So, yeah, I just made that up. But you might want to erase that off your note paper right now, just for those of y'all taking notes. So, okay, for real though. Seriously, gravity was first experimented on by a man named Galileo by dropping different sized balls off of high objects like the Tower of Pisa in Italy, which is now leaning, because you could see it would kind of go straight down. But besides the point, he would also do experiments of balls rolling, and he discovered that no matter the weight of an object, they both fall at the same speed. Hey, Brett! He'll know what gravity is. He's in our physics class. Hey, can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
What is gravity?
Dr. Olive is the best physics teacher I know.
Gravity is like, yeah.
Gravity is basically the force that keeps everything on the planet Earth in place. It just has to do with like the mass of the planet.
As great minds would say, a new day filled with new opportunities. So it all started when a man named Sir Isaac Newton sat under a tree just like this in 1687. Back in his day, they didn't have modern technology like computers and telephones or electricity or metal. But that's besides the point. What he did have was wit. And let me just show you what I mean. Well, that apple appeared to be falling at 9.81 meters per second. I think I'll coin that term gravity. Even though it may seem like Sir Isaac Newton just came up with gravity by seeing an apple fall from a tree, he had a lot of help from Galileo. Galileo was doing experiments by dropping objects off of tall things like the Tower of Pisa in Italy. But what I didn't tell you was that he discovered that no matter the weight of an object, if dropped at the same time, falls at the same speed, which completely goes against Aristotle's theory, which, was thought that the objects that are heavier fall faster and the objects that are lighter fall slower. So where does Sir Isaac Newton fit in? So basically what Sir Isaac Newton did was take the experiments that Galileo and Aristotle were doing and define them into what we know now, today, as being gravity. So where do we go next? Einstein. So what Einstein did was explain why two objects are attracted to each other. And the reason that is because of space. This is space. This is a simple experiment where we put an apple in the middle of this piece of poster board. And the piece of poster board has been around it just like space has been around the Earth. And when another object is introduced, it's attracted to it. So basically what we've presented you with is a general history in our understanding of what gravity is, which started with Galileo, who was dropping objects off the Tower of Pisa, and then went on to Isaac Newton, who observed apples falling from trees, and then from there went to our modern definition of what gravity is with Albert Einstein, who defined gravity as the bending and shaping of space. Oh, wait a minute. Nice car. Thanks, man. Hey, wait! Hey, there's Brett. He'll know what physics is. I mean, not physics. So gravity started underneath a tree, just like this. Where gravity started, just like this. When a man named Sir Isaac Newton sat underneath this tree. Oh, God! What the? This isn't even an animal cracker tree. Well, that apple just hit me sideways. How to do that? In the atmosphere, it is attracted to it. It is attracted to it. Crap. So what we provided for you today was basically our understanding of what gravity is. So basically what we've done is provided you with a history and information on what gravity is for us today, which started with Galileo observing dropping balls from large towers and things like that. So basically what we've provided for you today is a general history in our understanding of what gravity is. So we presented you with the first idea. So basically today we provided you with a history in our understanding of what gravity is. It started with Galileo, who was experimenting with gravity by dropping objects off of large things, and then it went to Isaac. That was bad, wasn't it? So basically what we've provided you with today is a general history and understanding of what gravity is. Started with... Okay. So basically what we've presented you